Hello friends, today we will see how to use authentication classes and permission classes in Django REST frameworks. So let first of all let's see what I have built. I have created a simple Django project and I have created a books app where I created a model called book. I have added title, description and price. Also I have created a serializer for the book class and I have created a simple list book API where I can just list the book. Let's see the API first. So let's run the project first. And in our Postman, or I'm using Insomnia here. So I'll hit the API. Here I can see all the books here. But what I want to solve the problem is, let's say I want to print the user who is logged in currently. Just notice here I haven't passed anything to permission classes and authentication classes. So even if in our API I pass the token and I'm logged in. Here you can see I have logged in and same token I have passed here in the API and I'm sending the request. Even if I have passed the token, I get the response as an anonymous user, not the correct user I have logged in with. The problem is that if you pass nothing to permission classes and authentication classes, it won't verify which user is logged in currently with the authentication token. So what we want to do is, even if you want to allow this API available publicly, what you have to do is you must use allow any from REST framework.permissions, and whatever authentication classes you are using, like JWT authentication class, OAuth authentication class, or whatever you are using, that you have to pass here. In this way, what you are doing is you are allowing any person to access this API without logged in or with logged in. So what happens now is, even if you are not logged in, it will allow you to fetch this API, and if you are logged into this API, it will print the username. Let's see this. I'm sending the request. Okay, my API is token is expired. I just refresh my token. Let's log in again, and I'll copy this token and let's paste this here. Now, as I logged in here in the terminal, you can see I'm now getting the username admin. So what we learned is, whenever you want to allow API to be publicly available, also you want to print or use the user who is currently logged in, you must use allow any in the permission classes, and whatever authentication classes you are using, that must be passed to the authentication classes attribute of the class. So I hope this information is useful to you. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Signing off.